What does a profitable Amazon PPC strategy actually look like? When it comes down to profitable Amazon PPC strategy, I like to think of it, are we optimizing for keeping our market share, or are we optimizing to increase more market share? Profitable can also mean that overall, one campaign can have 100% ACoS, the other campaign can have a 10% ACoS. But on an account level, it's still we are profitable. And why am I saying that is because most of the time I think that this is the thing that it was so unclear to me as well, especially in the first year when I started Amazon ads and I was running ads on my own brand. And it was like seeing, oh, it's 50% ACoS. Can I decrease it to be 40%? And I could, and I decreased it. Yet, the one keyword that I constantly show up for and brought me a lot of sales, I did not show up on the, for example, top of search placement for it. And technically what I did, created a cheaper option for myself to make sales. I cut down on the main revenue driving activity, which is the top of placement where my ad showed up for the specific keyword. And what happened is that, yes, I became more profitable, but on the long term, I was not taking any more market share for that specific keyword. So when it comes down to profitability, I think it's important to understand profitability is on an account level rather than profitable for this specific campaign. Because if you can be on an account level profitable, you're still profitable overall. Some campaigns are going to be ranking campaigns, they are going to be more expensive, or dominant campaigns where you go for a specific placement modifier, which it's going to be expensive to stay on top of search placement. But that is how I would define what does profitability looks like, or a profitability strategy on Amazon.